Have you ever met a woman who, without saying a word, commands the attention of an entire room? She isn't the loudest, the most extroverted, or even the most conventionally beautiful. Yet there's a certain gravity to her, a quiet power that draws you in. This is not a magic trick, it's a deep, resonant energy that the brilliant psychiatrist Carl Jung spent his life exploring. Today, we're going to delve into the heart of this magnetic presence. We'll uncover the 6 powerful codes of feminine energy that, when unlocked, can transform how you see yourself and how the world sees you. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about remembering the powerful, authentic woman you were always meant to be. So if you're ready to stop chasing and start attracting, to find a confidence that doesn't shout but simply is, then stay with me. This journey is for you. Code 1. The art of receptive stillness. In a world that screams, be more, do more, say more, the most powerful thing a woman can do is to cultivate stillness. I'm not talking about being passive or shy, I'm talking about receptivity. Imagine a calm, deep lake. It doesn't rush out to meet the river, it simply is, and the river flows into it. A receptive woman is like that lake. She creates a space of calm and presence that allows others to be themselves. She listens not just with her ears, but with her entire being. She doesn't rush to fill silences with nervous chatter. She understands that in the space between words, true connection happens. When you are with a woman who has mastered this, you feel seen, you feel safe. You find yourself opening up, sharing parts of yourself you didn't even know you were holding back. This is the secret magic of receptivity. It's not about what she does. It's about how she is. Before we move on, I want you to try something. Take a deep breath. And in the comments below, just type, I am creating space. Feel the intention behind those words. You are making a promise to yourself to cultivate this beautiful, magnetic stillness. Code 2. The gentle strength of kindness. We often mistake kindness for weakness. But true, authentic kindness is a superpower. It's the warmth in a smile, the genuine concern in a question, the gentle touch that says, I see you, and you are not alone. A woman who embodies this soft power isn't trying to win anyone over. Her kindness is not a strategy. It's an overflow of her own inner well-being. She offers help without expecting anything in return. She celebrates others' successes without envy. She listens to someone's pain without judgment. This kind of kindness is disarming. It melts away defenses and creates an atmosphere of trust. A man, or anyone for that matter, may not remember the exact words she said, but they will never forget how her kindness made them feel. It's a warmth that lingers long after she's gone. The unshakable core of still confidence. There comes a point in a woman's life when she stops auditioning for the part. She stops seeking validation, stops trying to be chosen, and realizes that she is the one who does the choosing. This is still confidence. It's not loud or arrogant. It's a quiet, unshakable knowing of her own worth. She walks into a room and her energy says, I am enough. She doesn't need to be the center of attention because she is the center of her own world. This kind of confidence is incredibly magnetic because it's real. It's not a performance. It's the result of doing the inner work, of facing her fears, and of learning to love and accept herself completely. When a woman has this still confidence, she doesn't need to chase love or approval. She becomes a magnet for it. If this resonates with you, let's declare it together. In the comments write, I am my own anchor. Let this be a reminder of the incredible strength that lies within you. Code 4. The richness of emotional depth. We are often taught to suppress our emotions, to be strong and not show our vulnerability. But a woman who is truly magnetic is not afraid to feel. She has emotional depth. She understands that her emotions are not her enemy. They are her guides. She allows herself to feel joy, sadness, anger, and everything in between without shame or apology. She is not a victim of her emotions. She is a conscious traveler in her own inner world. This emotional honesty is a gift. It gives others permission to be real too. When you are with a woman who is in touch with her feelings, you feel like you can finally take off your own mask. Her vulnerability is not a weakness. It's an invitation to connect on a deeper, more meaningful level. Code 5. The allure of sacred mystery. In an age of oversharing, mystery has become a rare and precious commodity. A magnetic woman understands this. She doesn't lay all her cards on the table. She holds something back, not as a game, but out of reverence for her own inner world. This isn't about being secretive or deceptive. It's about understanding that not everything needs to be said. Not every thought needs to be shared. She has a rich inner life, a sacred garden that she doesn't allow just anyone to enter. This creates a sense of depth and intrigue. It makes you want to know more, to earn the privilege of her trust. She is not a puzzle to be solved, but a beautiful unfolding story that you are honored to witness. Code 6. The radiance of inner alignment. This is the final and most powerful code. When a woman is in alignment, she is living in harmony with her deepest truths and values. She is not trying to be someone she's not. She is unapologetically, authentically herself. Her life is guided by her inner compass, not by the expectations of others. She has a sense of purpose that radiates from her. She is not perfect, but she is whole. She has faced her shadows and integrated them. She has healed her wounds and turned them into wisdom. A woman in alignment is a force of nature. Her presence is a gift. She doesn't need to do anything to be magnetic. She simply is. She has come home to herself, and in doing so, she invites everyone she meets to do the same. These 6 codes are not a checklist. They are a journey. A return to the powerful, radiant, and unforgettable woman you already are. It's about peeling back the layers of who you thought you were supposed to be and embracing the truth of who you are. As we close, I want to leave you with a powerful thought. Your journey to unlocking this magnetic presence is a daily practice. It's in the small choices you make to honor yourself, to be kind to yourself, and to listen to your own inner wisdom. If this video has inspired you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the depths of the human spirit. And in the comments, share which of these 6 codes you are most excited to cultivate in your own life. Your story matters, and your journey inspires us all. Remember, you are not just a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Go out there and let your light shine.